I store fresh strawberries in a jar without sugar, and they don't spoil for years. First, I will wash and clean the strawberries. I choose only firm and healthy fruits. Now I need clean and washed jars. I put washed and cleaned strawberries in a jar. This is how I will fill the second jar. Now I need lemon juice. I add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice to each jar. I don't add lemon juice for taste, but to keep the strawberries in the jar. I pour water into the jar to cover the strawberries. I'll wipe the top of the jar, and I close the jars with clean lids. I need a pan. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pan. I pour water into the pot up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the water boils, I will pasteurize it for 30 minutes. After pasteurizing for 30 minutes, I will leave the jars to gradually cool in water. The jars have cooled, and I will remove them from the pot. Store the jars in a dark and cool place until use. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.